Welcome. Today we're covering AI e-commerce hacks. More sales. Zero new hires. SE Asia. A Shopee seller in Myanmar tripled their conversion rate last quarter, with the same 3-person team they started with. Their secret? AI tools most SE Asian e-commerce businesses don't even know exist yet. In this video, I break down exactly how small and mid-sized e-commerce businesses across Southeast Asia are using artificial intelligence to convert more browsers into buyers. Without the crushing overhead of expanding their teams. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about giving your existing team superhuman capabilities. Here's what we cover. Key points. Why SE Asia's e-commerce boom is creating a staffing crisis nobody talks about. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.